Hey everyone! Today we're going to fix Twitch error 2000. If you're getting the "there was a network error, please try again" message and can't watch streams, don't worry. I've got the solutions that will fix this problem fast. Let's get started. Twitch error 2000 is a network connection error that stops your browser from loading streams properly. The main causes are browser extensions like ad blockers, corrupted cache files, internet connection issues, or antivirus software blocking Twitch. Now let's fix it. The quickest fix is to simply refresh your page. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh button in your browser. This often resolves temporary connection glitches. If that doesn't work, let's move to the next solution. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers, are the #1 cause of error 2000. Here's how to fix it. For Chrome users, click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Then go to More Tools and click on Extensions. Now toggle off all extensions, especially uBlock Origin, AdBlock, or any ad blockers. Then reload Twitch and try watching a stream. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. For Firefox users, click the menu, which is the 3 lines at the top right, then go to Add-ons and Themes. Click on Extensions and disable them all, then test Twitch again. If this fixes the error, you can enable your extensions one by one to find out which one is causing the problem. Corrupted cache files can block Twitch streams, so let's clear them. For Chrome users, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete on Windows or Command+Shift+Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time, then check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Finally, click Clear Data. For Firefox, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete, select everything for the time range, check cookies and cache, then click Clear Now. For Edge users, it's the same process. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete, choose All Time, select cookies and cached files, then click Clear Now. After clearing everything, restart your browser completely and try Twitch again. Incognito mode disables all extensions and uses fresh browser settings, which can help identify the problem. For Chrome and Edge users, press Ctrl+Shift+N or Command+Shift+N on Mac. Then go to Twitch in the incognito window. For Firefox users, press Ctrl+Shift+P to open a private window. Then open Twitch there. If Twitch works perfectly in incognito mode, then you know for sure the problem is an extension or a browser setting. VPNs can sometimes cause error 2000. If you're currently using a VPN, turn it off completely and try loading Twitch again. However, if you're not using a VPN and still getting the error, try turning one on. Sometimes your IP address might be flagged or blocked by Twitch, and using a VPN like NordVPN or ProtonVPN can solve this. Test both scenarios to see which one works for your situation. Switching to Google or Cloudflare DNS servers can fix many connection issues. For Windows users, press the Windows key +R on your keyboard, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This opens your network connections. Right-click on your active network connection and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, which is TCP/IPv4, and click Properties again. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8, which is Google's DNS. For the alternate DNS server, enter 8.8.4.4. Click OK on everything and restart your PC. For Mac users, go to System Preferences, then click on Network. Select your active connection and click Advanced. Go to the DNS tab, click the plus button, and add 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK and then Apply. This change can significantly improve your connection to Twitch. Your antivirus software like Bitdefender or Kaspersky might be blocking Twitch connections. For Windows users, go to Windows Security, then click on Firewall and Network Protection. Turn off your active firewall temporarily and try Twitch again. Remember to turn it back on after testing. For third-party antivirus software, open your antivirus program and look for real-time protection settings. Disable it temporarily and test Twitch. If it works, you'll need to add Twitch to your antivirus whitelist or exception list. Only disable these security features temporarily for testing purposes. And that's it. These solutions should fix Twitch Error 2000 for you. The most common fixes are disabling ad blockers or clearing your browser cache, so make sure you try those first. If this video helped you get back to watching your favorite streams, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below and let me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.